Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a how you should use your CRTs for the week video. So you guys really liked it last week and you told me to keep on doing them. So instead of an ad preview, I'm going to be doing this going forward. You will see this video every single Monday. So I'm going to hop into it. So the first deal that you definitely want to do is on the Eucerin. So Eucerin is on a spend 20, get $10 back in extra care bucks. We have $3.50 off 1 printable coupons and I got a 3 off 10 CRT that printed. So what you want to do is pick up one of the 8-ounce Eucerin skin calming cream. So these are priced for $10.49. So pick up 2 of them for $21.98. Use 2 of those $3.50 off 1 coupons. So that'll take $7 off. Use $3 CRT. So now you're down to $11.98, and then you get a $10 extra care bucks. So it makes them just 99 cents. So this is a killer deal, you guys. So Revlon Cosmetics are on a spend 10 to get $4 back in extra care bucks. We still have those 4 off 1 facial coupons from our Smart Source. So what you can do is pick up one of the Revlon Candid Ready concealers. They're priced for $9.99, so that's enough to trigger the extra care buck. And we got $5 off 1 coupons that printed from the Red Machine. Then you pair that $4 insert coupon, so you pay 99 cents and then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making it a $3.01 moneymaker. You also could spend up to 12 and then use a CRT for cosmetics. So I did get a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, so you potentially could grab something that is at least $12. So let's see. So this concealer right here, the Erase Imperfections concealer, it is priced for $12.99. You can use that 4 off 1 insert coupon. Then you can use your $5 CRT and 3 off 12 cosmetics. So we're at 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, is that right? Is that right? $12.99 minus 4 is $8.99 minus 5 is $3.99. You would pay 99 cents still, and then get the $4 extra care buck, making it just a $3.01 moneymaker. Like, holy heck, guys. So if you got the 3 off 1 John Frieda hair care CRT like me, the John Frieda hairsprays in the travel section, they're priced for $3.29. Use this CRT, makes it 29 cents. All right, so the 50 fluid ounce of soft soap hand soap, the refills are priced for $8.29. We have a 2 off 1 CRT. Well, I got a 2 off 1 CRT, drops it down to $6.29. Then you can use a 50-cent printable coupon from the soft soap website. Okay, so a nice moneymaker on the Nexus. So Nexus, again, this week is spend 20, get 10. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $11.99. So you buy 2 of them for $23.98. Use 2 of the 5 off 1 coupons. So now we're down to $13.98. You can use a $2.25 off hair care CRT and you get the $10 extra care back. So it makes the Nexus conditioners just 86 cents each after your insert coupons, your CRT, and factoring in the extra care bucks. So great deal, you guys. Okay, so a scenario you can do is on the Always 24 count pads. So they are priced for $7.29. And then when you buy 2 of them, it's going to be $10.93. And then you can pair this 4 off 2 coupon along with the 3 off 2 insert coupon. So that's going to take $7 off. So you're looking to pay $3.93 for both of them. It's $1.96 each. And again, this could be combined with any of the other P&G deals. So I think this is a really good one. All right, you guys. So the Summer's Eve cleansing cloths, these guys are priced for $3.79 and they're buy one, get one 50%, and you get a $3 extra care buck back when you buy 2 of them. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $5.68. We have a printable $1.50 off 2 coupon. I got a $2 off feminine cleansing wipe wash CRT, so that's going to take $2 off. So now we're down to $2.18 that you're going to end up paying, and then you get the $3 extra care buck, so it makes it an 81 cent moneymaker. So really good deal here.